headmaster sir, Bhaskar Reddy sir, headmaster of Jilla Parishad High School Nallamada, and respected chief guest, today's chief guest of different schools. We are doing different schools. Today sir is visiting different school. Sir is Garigapati Subramaniam sir from USC. And all the teachers of Mandal Education Officer and all the teachers of Jilla Parishad High School Nallamada, and also my blessings to all the students of Jilla Parishad High School Nallamada. Today, here is a inauguration of a big set constructed for this school, and which has been donated by Dr. G.V. Ramanasri from USA. Today it is also auspicious day because in most of the schools Saraswati Puja by 10th class is going on, and on this we feel very happy. On this auspicious occasion, this set has been inaugurated. Sir is a representative and who is coordinating all the programs, service programs in our district, not only surrounding Puttaparthi, not only in Anantapur or Satyasai district, and sir has been doing many service programs in the different places, in different parts of India. Now recently he came to India. He has been touring different places. He visited different places. He has a lot of patience. They have been observing for a week. He has a lot of patience. He is visiting different places where service programs are going on. See, now today also we are going to visit 4 or 5 schools, government schools, where services are going on. For many years, one program has been going on continuously. That is breakfast for children of government schools. In government schools, many students come to attend the school without having any breakfast because their parents go for work early in the morning. They don't take any food. It was observed by Sundarvalli Madam, Amma, and she initiated this program with the support of for a causeway and with the help of some other donors. Okay, sir. That is the one program going on in our district. And then many other programs also for the poor people, giving ration monthly, regularly for the poor people, and distribution of tricycles, distribution of wheelchairs, and distribution of bicycles for the students in government schools. For the last few years, many bicycles have been distributed to government school students, but it didn't happen in your school, but in some other schools, and where the teachers like Padmavati Madam, who are good at services, and Madam also in her previous schools, she also served breakfast for the students. Gaunipalli, where such kind of teachers who render service, selfless service. See, now also in some schools the breakfast program has been going on, and in addition to that there are many distribution of books, pens, and many other programs are going on. See, it is our responsibility that we should thank them for all those who are providing, who are supporting us, who are supporting poor students, poor people by providing all those. See, on behalf of our school students, poor people, we thank you, Lord, sir. We thank you, Lord, for providing all those things. Thank you so much. See, this set is contribution for this set is supported by G.V. Ramanasri, sir. And not only this, many programs are going on in this area. Sir, as soon as I informed Madam and also Headmaster about this set, See, all the staff members of the school, Nalamada School, cooperated well, and it has been done within 2 or 3 days, sir. Thank you so much, sir. See, unless we get cooperation from you, we can't do anything, sir. See, we are also taking such kind of schools where we get good support and also good initiation by teachers, like Padmavati madam. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. See, it is very useful. The set is very useful, but I know, as I am a teacher, I know how those are very necessary for us, how they are useful for different purposes. See, these sets are useful for taking midday meal, sir. Midday meal, for conducting examination, for conducting study hours, and also it is used for different purposes. See, these will be very useful for the school also. Thank you very much for providing this one. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you to the headmaster, NEO sir, and all the teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.